Hello, my fellow Aussies. I am Martin Lian Ken Cook. Let me be the first one to tell you that we have a date. Mark your calendar, October the 12th in Sydney. I'll be flying in from sunny California and with my good friends at MFL and Ignite Search. We are putting on an amazing show-stopping performance. One night only. If you love Chinese food, or if you are looking to networking with other high-profile businesses around Sydney, you should not miss this event. Come for a scrumptious Cantonese banquet. I'll show you how to break down a chicken in 20 seconds or less with the sharpest Chinese chef knife on this planet. We'll also have the fireside chat. Thank you, love you all, and I can't wait to see you all, guys, very, very soon. And cheers.